Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to discuss about the ref function. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. The ref function is used to create reactive references to the values. It's fundamental part of the Vue's reactivity system, and it's commonly used to declare reactive state within the components. So using ref, so here you can see that first we have a template. This is p count, this is count. We are rendering the temp count over here. Then button click increment, right? So let's copy and add this so that we get it visible. Okay. So here we have the button click increment. So first we have taken the rough from the view. Okay, importing that one. Export default setup. Create a reactive reference with the initial value. So by default initial value of the count is we are offered that is 0. Method to increment the count. Okay. So count dot value plus plus. So whenever we have a button, so it will increment that one. Okay. Expose the count and the increment method to the template. So return count and the increment. Okay. Let's understand the example. The ref function is imported from the view. Okay. The ref0 creates a reactive reference within an initial value of 0. To assess the value of a ref, you use dot value, count dot value, right? So here you can see that what we are using, count dot value, right? For the reference, whenever we are creating a reference. So how to assess this one? Count dot value, right? So to assess the value of ref, you use dot value. Example, count dot value. Changes to count dot value will trigger. Changes to count dot value will trigger reactivity and update the template. Okay, important notes. Always use dot value when assessing the value of the ref. When using the ref, the value itself is a reactive, but if the value is an object, its property are not reactive by default. For reactive object properties, use reactive or ref in the combination with two refs. Okay. Then we have a reactivity of ref. Dot value returned by ref is a reference object that contains the property dot value. Any changes to dot value will trigger updates in the template where it's used. This approach with ref is commonly used within the setup function of the Vue's 3 composition API to declare reactive state and the functions in a component. Okay, I hope you're clear on that. Let's run the example also. So here we have an increment. You can see that it's working, right? Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.